Hi there, students. A sally. To sally. Well, firstly, Sally is a girl's name, but this is both a noun and a verb. To sally. To come out of a place in order to do something difficult. So, I had been at home all day and it had been raining all day and it was still raining, but I sallied to get some milk and some bread from the shop, to go out, to leave in order to do something difficult or something with difficulty. Let's see, to sally can also means in a military sense, where you suddenly attack the enemy, particularly when they are surrounding you. If you have a castle and a siege and there are troops all the way round, maybe the defenders suddenly sally and attack you and then rush back inside. That is the idea of a sally, of to sally, to make a sally, to come out and attack the enemy and then retreat as well. Okay, but to sally, to come out. So it was he sallied from his office and made his way through the crowds of journalists that were asking him questions. When the defendant sallied from the courtroom, he was besieged by reporters. So to sally, to leave a place that's besieged by an enemy, or something that is a situation that is similar to that. So you're rushing out despite the difficulties. Now also a sally can be a witty remark or a clever reply in an argument, particularly if you're attacking the person you are arguing with. So it's like a witticism, a witty remark, a smart riposte. So everybody laughed at the sally that I had made. Okay, so, but it's like coming out and attacking. It's a metaphorical sense of it. If two people are arguing, then maybe I sally, I come out from my defense, attack by saying something clever, and then go back into back inside. So a brief journey into an activity. So I make English videos about English, but maybe I could make a brief sally into cooking videos. So to start into an activity, to start making cookery videos, it would be like an excursion or a trip. The main business of this company is making cars, but they had a brief sally into making caravans as well. So they've come out of their main thing to do this. So this sally, it's got the idea of coming out, of a military sortie. Let's see, this word sally has lots of other unusual meanings. For example, sally, a willow tree, but that, I think that's because the willow tree is known as a salix. Or a sally, a bell rope. Very often they have coloured wool woven into the rope so that the bell ringers can hold on to it, and that part is also a sally. It's quite an unusual one. Okay, so a sally, or the Sally Army, the Salvation Army, the Sally Army. Onward, Christian soldiers. Okay, that's the Sally Army. So a sally, but to sally, to rush out, to burst forth. So a sortie of troops from a defensive position. Then a brief outburst in a conversation. So he's normally very quiet, but from time to time he makes a sally and makes a very interesting comment, or a joke or an attack on the people they're arguing with. An adventure or an excursion off the beaten track, a jaunt. So we were walking down this beautiful path, and there was thick forest either side, and I decided to make a quick sally into the forest either side. So a quick expedition. I set out. I went into it, and this is the idea of sally as well. So you see, sally's a word with all sorts of things. So let's see, a besieged force suddenly attacks. It's a sortie. Or a sudden outburst of words or into action or expression or emotion. My team were hemmed in, kept into their part of the field for the almost for the whole of the second half. However, we had two sallies where we scored goals and then we defended. So an excursion, an interesting excursion, something different, or a sally, a witty comment, something to answer or to attack a person you're arguing with. So to come or go, to set out in an energetic manner. On our we decided to drive to Paris, and we sallied at 5 o'clock in the morning. So we set out again. We set out from home. It's got this idea of moving out suddenly. Let's see, this word sally, it comes from French, from salir, to leap forth, salire in Latin, to leap or to jump. But to sally, a sudden rushing forth, or a sally by the troops, or a side trip, an excursion. So I was talking to these people in Spanish, but I made the odd sally into English to describe one or two things that were difficult to explain. So to sally, salient. A salient is a part that sticks out, and I'm sure I've got a verb about a salient. To leap forward, to jump. So to sally, a sortie, a sudden rushing forward, a witty statement, a side trip, an excursion, part of a bell rope, the Sally Army, the Salvation Army, a willow tree. Okay, so to sally. Formality, woof. Let's see, I think all of these are sally. I'm going to give them 6.5 in formality. So use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So, sally.